Today is our actually closing event for our senior games, 2019 senior games, and it's our track and field event today. We have the different 50-meter, 100-meter runs. We have walks. We have the 4x400s. So we have different track and field events, as well as football throw and softball throw as well.
But this is the end of 2 weeks of competition. So tell me about the competitions that happened before this.
Yes, so we've had bowling. We've also had regular bowling. We've had swimming. We've had ping pong, table tennis. We have miniature golf. We have 9-hole golf and 18-hole golf. So we do all of those different events. I know I'm missing something, but those are the darts. We have darts as well. And horseshoes is another one. And cornhole was an exhibition this year for us. So we tried cornhole. And they said it was fun. I wasn't there for the event, but they said it went well.
The Senior Games has a lot of sporting events. We're about 13 different venues, maybe 13 different sports, and we cater to every physical activity level. Everyone's not able to participate in many of the sports. Wii bowling is one that anyone can do. We have some people who come in walkers, wheelchairs, with maybe physical disabilities. It's one of them sports where anyone can participate, regardless of your age, your physical level, your athletic ability. It's just something fun and social to do. We have about 79 participants today, male and female. They will each bowl 2 games. We will total their score. And gold, silver, and bronze medals are awarded in each age category, men and women divided. People just socialize. They'll bowl, they'll socialize around 11:30. We'll break for lunch. They stay for medal presentations. If we get through all of everyone bowling, there's something called power bowling, which I'm not really familiar with, but it's just sort of, they just see how many pins they can knock down. And we'll do a little competition with that too, maybe award the highest man, highest woman. So power bowling occurs after the regular competition, and people just stay all day, socialize, talk, eat lunch. It's just a fun day.
This is our singles bowling tournament. We have almost 135 bowlers who are here, ranging from the ages of 50 to 103, and they're here to bowl for themselves. So they are competing against other people in their age range. So they're trying to get that gold, silver, and bronze. The best thing about this tournament is the sense of camaraderie. People just have so much fun when they're playing against each other, people in their age range. We've got people who've been coming here for the last 15, 20 years who show up every year, who are still so excited about this event, and they want to win. They want that medal.
Oh God, pickleball is a big event. Pickleball is a couple days. We have a lady, Betty Acorn, who is actually a national champion. So she actually coordinates that for us, and the seniors love it. It has grown over the years as one of our larger events.
Pickleball is a combination of ping pong and badminton and tennis. And we play it on a badminton court, which is on the ground, and tennis net. Our net's 34 inches high in the center, and we use a paddle similar to a ping pong paddle. It's about 7 ounces. It's the fastest growing sport in the United States. Yesterday we had probably close to 70 players, and today I expect a few more. Some players do men's doubles and women's doubles and come back for mixed on the second day. We also have singles, but we don't compete in singles in the county games. Today's tournament, all of our events are round robin, and that means that if there are 7 teams in your group, that you'll have 6 matches today. And you need to look at the charts on the wall so that you can tell when you're playing and when you might have a bye and get a chance for a break. In pickleball, we give 5-year age groups, and then each age group gets a gold, silver, bronze. And Delaware County is really great. We usually have a luncheon in July for all the athletes who participated in the games. I've been doing this since I moved here in 2012. I started pickleball here. And we have, I get help with running this. We get help from the Garnet Valley Gherkins Pickleball Club. They loan out the equipment that we need. So it's a community effort. I might run the games, but there's a lot of volunteers behind the games that help make this work.
It's a combination of Delaware County, the Parks and Rec, Delaware County Office on Aging, which is COSA, and also Destination Delco. This happens in other counties as well around surrounding us and in the state, throughout the state of Pennsylvania. But there's also state championships for senior games, and then there's nationals. So the senior games, you get points as you participate. That's why they want to get their medals, and so they get them at the county level. Then they go and participate in the state games, and then from the state games they go to the national games. So it's national. Senior games are advertised nationally and encouraged.
Well, the games are really important because it keeps them active. It keeps seniors active, and it's really good to be active and support that. A lot of times the seniors, they age, they become less motivated and they become less able to participate. So when we can gather and really cheer those seniors on, it's a beautiful thing. We like to collaborate with our partners and show them that we really want to be, there to support seniors and their lifestyle and make sure that they're aging well.
They're coming from all over Delaware County. Many of them, again, attend senior centers. Sometimes they even have little wee groups in the senior centers. So they can be competitive. But anybody in Delaware County can participate. Ages 50 on up. Our oldest is actually 103. Not a wee bowler, but 103.
Cy is just remarkable. So Cy is 103 years old. I have been running this tournament for the last 10 or 12 years. He has been here every year. The fact that he still drives, the fact that he is sharp as a tack. The fun thing about sitting down with Cy is learning about all the things he's accomplished in his life and just the things he has seen in the last 103 years. He just is a remarkable testament to staying active, and he really is an inspiration to every other person that's in here. He will beat people who are 30 years younger than he is.
He is actually out of Philadelphia, so he is not a Delaware County resident, but he has participated, and that with the senior games, it does allow you to go to different counties if you're able to. So he has come to our senior games for years and continues to enjoy it. So he loves bowling. So he always gets the gold because he's one of the only ones in his age category, but he enjoys it. So we love having Cy.
You need to age well, and one of the things about aging well is to stay active, get out there and do things. So this does two things. This allows you the chance to get out and exercise, but this also allows you the chance to interact with your friends, to meet new people, to stay connected to the community. There's nothing more important than having a sense of purpose and meaning and friends, and those three things are really a great thing. That's a great thing about senior games.
We're here for the seniors, anyone 60 and over. So we're here as that county office to be able to help the seniors in need. And it's not always someone that's in need. I mean, our office has an information and referral department, so you could call in and you could have someone that could be a friend of yours that lives in California, let's say, or Oregon, and we can actually look it up and tell you the Office on Aging in that county, in that particular state, and connect you. So we do information and referral. We connect people to get services. We do assessments. We have mental health programs. So our office is here to serve the seniors in the county, as I call them, my seniors. So that's what we're here for, and that's what we try and do, is to make sure that if someone has a need, that we try and get them to get the help that they need or get them in the right direction so they can get what they need.
A lot of COSA, when people think of COSA and we help with helping seniors, we often think of the frail and those who need assistance staying in their homes, some people who are in nursing homes, but this sort of shows the other side of seniors. Not every senior is frail. There are many vibrant, active seniors who attend senior centers, who socialize, who get together. It's all part of the providing services for physical, mental, emotional, social well-being of seniors.
This helps because this is a lot of camaraderie among the seniors. You get there was one lady that was just telling a lady's daughter, she's in the 90s, and she said, "Oh, this gentleman here helped your mom the other day when she needed help." We have people from senior centers who come, and like at billiards, they have a lot of our senior centers have billiard tables, so their billiard is almost like a team will go and play billiards. So it's a nice sense. People come out, as you can see, people even in the rain are helping one another, helping put pins on, put their numbers on them, and so it's just good. It's just good.